So hi guys, today I will show you how to install a screen recorder which can easily work in any of the low-end PCs such as 1 GB RAM and 2 GB RAM as well. So the name of the screen recorder is Ocam. So this screen recorder helps us to easily record all of the videos we want, even the gameplay videos in any of the PCs, may it be high-end or low-end. So without wasting any of your time, let's proceed to the installation process. So to install the screen recorder right here, you need to first of all open any of the internet browser you want. In my case, I will use Google Chrome. After that, you need to type in Ocam download and just hit enter. After you click on Ocam download, you can see there is the first link, Ocam download by ohsoft. Better is to install from this website, which is known as ohsoft.net, as it is the original website, and I would suggest you to download it from here. Now click on Ocam download, and after clicking on Ocam download, it will redirect you to such kind of a website. Then you need to scroll down a bit, and after coming down here, it will show you the basic specification needed for running this recorder. The CPU should be lowest should be Pentium 4, then the memory lowest should be 1 GB RAM, then it runs in any of the Windows 10 OS like Windows 2003, Windows Vista, and Windows 7, 8 and 10, which won't be any problem for anyone. And the license won't expire, as it is free for every user. So after coming down, you will see this pop up, this page which says exe download ohsoft. So you just basically need to click on it, and after clicking on it, it will show you this page where almost 5 different installation objects are there. You need to install the easy and convenient screen recorder. The other applications are the applications from the ohsoft.net website itself. So you need to install the Ocam screen recorder. So you just need to click the download option beside it. Sorry guys for the disturbance, actually I had some work to do. So yeah, I am resuming the video. I haven't done any changes yet. So after installing the exe file, what you need to do is just click on the exe file. After clicking on the file, if you get any options like yes or no, just click on yes, and it will show a pop-up, the setup pop-up. Then you can choose the language which you want and just press ok. After that, you can read the agreement. I have read it, so I can just accept the agreement and click on next. After that, the setup will install. For my case, I will cancel the setup. See, it is showing the setup is not complete. You may run setup again another time to complete the installation. It is because I have already installed the Ocam and I am already using it to record this video. So for my case, I will exit the setup. For you, it will install the setup, and after installing the setup, it will show you this kind of a pop-up. And here you will see a record button, a capture button, a resize button, and these all buttons. The capture button helps us to take a screenshot of the page or the selected area. Then after you click on the start button, the record button, the recording starts, and after that you get two options, stop and pause. The pause will have to pause the recording, and then you can resume it afterwards, and the stop will stop the recording and it will save the recording. So this was the video. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, then please share it with your friends who want to record any gameplay video or any technical videos. So I hope I was helpful to you. So meet you next time. Bye bye.